In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to generate hashtags using several different tools built into the TubeAtlas software. Now this is a new kind of feature I put into the latest version, so let's go ahead and just quickly go through it. In the keywords tool, you'll see there's a new hashtags button there. If you click that, you'll see you have a couple of options. You can also access those features by right-clicking and going to hashtags. So basically what this does, it just takes the keywords you've generated in the keyword tool and then it copies hashtags to your clipboard. Let me just show you, for example. Let's type in Etsy and get a bunch of keywords here. And let's say, for example, I want to sort the rank by 1 and I just want to get a bunch of the number 1s here as hashtags. So just select the checkboxes and then now you can go right click, or you can select that little button down there. I'm just going to right click and go copy selected keywords as hashtags. So go ahead and click that. Now if I just open up a text document and just paste, you'll see those put in as hashtags. So hashtags will be the keywords with no spaces, and then you put the little number sign there in front of it, separated by spaces. This makes it easy, so you can go ahead and copy those hashtags into your posts, YouTube video descriptions, or wherever you'd like. Let's go ahead and show how you can do this elsewhere. In the trends tool, you also have the exact same thing. So if you generate keywords in here and you do your analysis using the trends, you can go ahead and select the checkboxes and do the exact same thing. Another one, which is, in my opinion, far more effective, because with the keywords you can select the rank and you do have the option to import search volume from free sources as Google, or you can use the paid keywords everywhere, so you can actually get search volume information, so you can use the hashtags that have keywords that produce a lot of traffic. So that's important. But here's another way to do it. Let's go over to the videos tool. Let's click in here and let's say we're searching for let's say forging. Let's say you're doing a how-to video on how to forge or something like that. And in here you can come over here and in here, if you come over, you'll see the tags. These are all the tags that are used within the videos. Well, you can use these tags as hashtags as well. And so what you'd want to do, let's go ahead and just right click and let's select all the rows. So let's go check boxes, select all rows, and click this little analyze button. And I'm going to analyze the video tags. So now it's quickly gone through there and I found all the common video tags amongst all those videos. So these are the top videos that came up from searching in YouTube. And now we can go ahead and see that forging is obviously the number 1. The knife making, rusty, random hands, I'm not sure what that means, sword making, forged in fire, all these sorts of things. So you can come in here now, you can select the ones that you'd want. Like something like, maybe not those. There we go. And now you can go hashtags down here. Copy selected, and now you have access to those hashtags. But these hashtags are really important because now you got some really important data that you can use in here. We know that these are getting high number of likes per tag. You can see you can actually sort by likes per tag, and you can start getting a value of how valuable these particular words are. So now you can use those as hashtags. Now we can do the exact same thing by going to analyze here and using the video titles tool. So now we can look at the keywords in titles and analyze these. So forging appeared 21 times. So now again, we can select them and copy as hashtags, or we can go ahead and clear these out and do a 3-word combination and look at the 3-word combinations that show up. Out of rusted, out of rusty. So there must be a lot of keywords that are saying like, I created a knife out of a rusted piece of steel or something like that. Anyhow, now you get a better sort of way of pinpointing what tags you want to use. Now in a recent version of the software, I did implement an estimation, how much estimated revenue that these videos will make based on ad revenue. Now these are complete estimates, take them with a grain of salt. I found a formula on the internet which was able to calculate this. But it gives you an idea of which ones could have more potential at making more money. So you want to kind of concentrate on these ones and look at their tags. So That's another way you can look at tags. Sorry, hashtags is what I'm trying to say. Now let me show you one more thing here. Another way to do this is clear this all out and go to the browse and use the built-in browser. Let's go ahead and go to home, and let's do the same thing here, and let's just search forging. And now I can use filters, and I want to look at the most popular, let's say this, or no, that's uploaded. See, I want to look at sort by the viewer count, view count. So I can do view count. And of course you can do any of these other filters in here as well, but I'll just do view count for now. So I know that YouTube has returned a bunch of results based on view count. So these got the most views. So I'm gonna hit the auto scroll here and just scroll a couple pages and get some results in this integrated web browser. Now I'll just stop here and go extract video links. This can sometimes take a bit. There we go, found 166. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those to my video tools. Now I do have other videos in the help videos that show you how to use that tool I just shown you, but right now I just want to get to it. So I click get data. So now we're going to extract all the data for those 166 videos. So now we've extracted those videos and we know that they had a lot of views. And so now we can do things like, you know, estimated earnings per video, estimated earnings per day for each video. Now we can come in here and we can start looking at what these tags are. So now we can analyze these tags and get a better idea of what we're looking for. So that's another very, very powerful way of trying to go and find those keywords that you need as hashtags in your YouTube descriptions or whatever marketing you require to have hashtags in. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.